In our previous video, we focused on setting up a split shift rotation policy, and we hope you found that valuable. In this video, we are going to cover another vital component, creating a split shift attendance policy. This step ensures that every team member is clear about their work schedules, contributing to a more organized and efficient workplace. Let's get started. Navigate to System Settings, Attendance, and the Attendance Policy page. Click on Add Attendance Policy to create a new one. Enter the policy name as Split Shift, with a short description. Since we are configuring the attendance policy for split shifts, select the Select Shift type as Split Shift. Click Save. Now select the split shift policy that we created, to proceed with defining the split shift attendance rules. Click the Edit Policy Info icon. From here, rules are explicitly configured for a split shift attendance policy. These rules are attendance status criteria, penalty rules, and regularization rules. To understand this better, let us take an example of defining penalty rules. Select all rules. From the list, let us choose to customize the in-time criteria rule. Click on Edit. For split shifts, the session durations can be uneven, so select Limit Varies for each session option. The admin will be able to configure different penalty rules for both sessions as per their company policies and regulations. To customize the Session 1 condition, add the grace instances. The swipe hours that are recorded here will not be considered until the session time starts. Also, deduct the sessions and select them as LOP or leave. Then mark the status as present or absent for the session. Choose to notify the employees, and the rule selected here will be overridden when the in-time criteria rule is applied. In the same way, Session 2 is also customized. Click Save to complete the configuration. Ensure to click Finish to update the customization of the rule. Similarly, configure the other rules such as out time criteria, late in, early out, etc. We've now covered quite a journey together through greytHR's split shift functionalities. Next, we are moving on to the final step, which will help you bring everything together, ensuring that the right policies are assigned to the right employees. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. See you in our next and final video.